All right, so in this Blender video, I'm going to show you how to change the units and also how to measure things. So it's pretty simple. Go to Scene Selection, go to, I think it's Scene Properties, then go to Units. You can change from metric to empirical, really up to you. So if we're going to stick with metric, which we always should, then we can change the length. So like instead of meters, like I think 3.5 feet or something is a meter, or more. I'm probably getting that wrong, but we can go centimeters and millimeters. And then we can also like change the scale, like it's 1:1, so we can do like 10, and it'll change our grid pattern here. So let's say we want to measure from here to here, like how many centimeters is that, and like just so centimeters, right? So just so you know, like if you change this to centimeters, when you measure something with a measure tool right here, you will get a centimeters output. Let's see, press 3. All right. So whenever you're measuring anything with the measure tool, on the screen, press the left mouse button and then hold and then go up and then let go, and then you can do that and see. It's pretty much how easy it is to measure things. And let's see, change things to millimeters. It'll change all your measurements into millimeters too. And I guess for people who like empirical, yeah, so there's your inches and feet, which is weird, but damn, 30 feet. All right, so this is pretty huge. And again, remember, 1:1 scale. Oh, so it's technically 3 feet. All right. But yeah, this is how you can use it to measure and change units. Hope this helps, especially for people that want to be a little more precise and make this more realistic. Like maybe if you want a 3D print or something. So yeah, good luck.